In Vedic astrology, Jupiter, the Guru or Brihaspati, turning direct or Margi in Gemini, that is Mithun Rashi, in 2026 on 11th March at 9 am, marks a shift from internal reflection, that is retrograde phase, to outward progress and visible effects. Gemini is ruled by Mercury, Buddha, the planet of intellect, communication, business, writing, analytics, and networking. Jupiter represents wisdom, expansion, dharma, wealth, children, higher knowledge, and blessings. When Jupiter becomes direct in Gemini, growth in teaching, writing, consulting, marketing, IT, and media. Strong focus on certifications, courses, and upskilling. Knowledge becomes monetizable. Networking brings future connections, play a major role. Mentors and advisors reappear or provide guidance. Partnership formed during retrograde move forward. Business and trade growth. Favorable for traders, brokers, digital entrepreneurs. Smart investment in communication and tech sectors. Logical decisions making over emotional choices. Intellectual and spiritual blend. Interest in scriptures, philosophy, astrology. Analytical thinking applied to belief systems. General effects by house from Moon to Ascendant. If Gemini is your first house, personal growth, marriage prospect, confidence rise. Second house, wealth, growth, family harmony. Third house, courage and skill development. Fourth house, property, emotional stability. Fifth house, children, romance and creativity. Sixth house, job stability, debt clearance. Seventh house, marriage and partnership. Eighth house, transformation and inheritance. Ninth house, luck and foreign travel. 10th house, career promotion. 11th house, gains and salary hike. 12th house, foreign settlement and spiritual growth. Jupiter and Mercury have natural complex planetary relationships in Vedic astrology. Since Jupiter prefers wisdom and higher truth, and Mercury prefers logic and commerce, this transit can create overthinking, excess transformation, and analysis paralysis. Balance faith with logic. Remedies: if Jupiter is weak in your chart, chant Om Gurave Namaha. Donate YOLO items on Thursday. Respect teachers and elders. Avoid unethical financial dealings. It should be noted that this is a general prediction. Actual prediction may vary according to your natal chart. For that, you need personal horoscope casting. Let's start the prediction on all 12 zodiac moon signs when Jupiter is direct in Gemini in 2026. Mesh or Aries, Jupiter will direct in your third house. Growth in communication, media, writing and marketing. Increased courage and travel. Better relations with siblings. Not a strong financial expansion period, but good for skills. Could take calculated risk. Vrishabha or Taurus. Jupiter will direct in your second house. Financial improvement, family harmony increases, good time for saving and investment, speech become influential. Very positive transit for Vrishabha natives. Mithuna, the Gemini. Jupiter will direct in your first house. Major personal growth, health improves, marriage prospects and career recognition. Life direction changes significantly. Kark or Cancer. Jupiter direct in your 12th house. Foreign travel and relocation possible. Spiritual growth, expenses increases, need to manage sleep and stress. Mixed and spiritually strong. Shingha, Leo. Jupiter directs in your 11th house. Gains, profits, salary hike, new friendship and influential contacts. Wishes fulfilled, good for networking and politics. Excellent financial transit. Kanna, that is Virgo. Jupiter direct in 10th house. Career growth and recognition. Promotion chances. Authority increases. Good for government related work and strong professional rise. Tula, Libra. Jupiter directs in your 9th house. Fortune improves, higher education success, foreign travel, strong supports from mentors and fathers. Very auspicious transit. Vrishchika, it is Scorpio. Jupiter direct in 8th house. Sudden transformations, inheritance or insurance, gains, interest in occult science, need to watch health. Challenging but transformative. Dhonu, Sagittarius. Jupiter directs in your 7th house. Marriage prospects. Business partnership flourish. Public image improves. Good for contacts. Important relationships here. Makara, that is Capricorn. Jupiter directs in your 6th house. Victory over enemies. Job stability improves. Health improves gradually. Good time to clear debts. Productive but require effort. Kumbh or Aquarius. Jupiter direct in your 5th house. Childbirth and child success. Creative breakthrough. Romance increases. Good for speculation with causes. very favorable for creativity. Mean, that is Pisces. Jupiter directs in your 4th house. Property purchase possible. Domestic happiness, vehicle or home upgradation. Emotional stability increases. Good for real estate and family. Hope you all are fine. Take care, yours. God bless you all. Hare Krishna.